Welcome back. You're still tuned into Midcap Radar. A lot of earnings which are trickling in, so let's focus on them. Sterling and Wilson Renewable Energy. The stock is up over 3% on the back of its Q4 numbers. It has reported a profit after 3 years. This is a special segment. Actually, it's up around 10%. My mistake there. But this is a segment Midcap Spotlight. Vivek, what did the numbers look like?
Well, you weren't wrong when you said 3% because, the stock opened up 3%. It fell. It was in the red territory. It was down 3%. After that, there was the conference call where the commentary was quite strong. And on the back of that, let's do a deep dive analysis as to what exactly has transpired in Q4 in FY24 and what is the management outlook for FY25. First up, FY24, when you look at the numbers, it's a clear turnaround from the company. The company in Q4 has delivered a profitability on the bottom line. This is for the first time after 3 years. Secondly, what's actually happened is that execution has come back. It is a sensible thing given the fact that there has been significant halving as far as the input costs are concerned, and thereby execution has gone up quite tremendously. Let's have a look at the numbers quickly. Revenues on a year-on-year basis is up almost 13 times. EBITDA is at 29.4 crore versus an operational loss last time around. And when you're talking about margins, 2.5% in Q4. Profitability this time around at 1.4 crores. What is the main reason for the profitability? Like we mentioned, number one, improved execution as far as the domestic EPC business is concerned. And secondly, in December, the company did a 1,500 crore QIP, which aided their debt reduction plan. Under the back of that, finance costs have gone down sharply in FY24, thereby aiding a bottom line profitability number. Now, let's quickly look at what the company say in the conference call and what's actually excited the stock. Number one, two key triggers that the market has been waiting for. Market slightly disappointed in terms of the order book. The unexecuted order book is slightly over 8,000 crore. Market was anticipating two key orders. Number one is from Nigeria and number two is from Reliance Industries. Both of these orders have not yet fructified, but the company in the conference call says they are still in negotiation and they're hopeful that in FY25, early FY25, these orders should come in. So that is something that the market is taking quite a bit of encouragement from. Secondly, what they're saying is that the domestic ordering activity is quite robust. They are L1 in quite a few orders, and they're saying that along with the order inflow they're also getting a 3-year O&M contract, which again is positive. All of this, aiding the stock up almost 10% in the session today.
Okay, all right. And as you said, it's a profit after a long time, and the conference call commentary as well, quite positive. The other stock on our radar